Loud noise and strange costumes can frighten pets. Keep animals in a quiet room away from trick-or-treaters. If you take your pet out trick-or-treating, keep them on a shorter than normal leash. Scary and weird-looking trick-or-treaters can provoke aggression, even in nice pets. Candy collected by your children, especially chocolate, can be toxic and sometimes fatal for animals. Ask kids not to share candy with pets and keep it away from places that are easily reachable. It can be hard to resist dressing your pet up in cute and funny costumes for Halloween. No matter how cute and adorable they look, make sure clothing is not too tight.
Halloween costumes can be a lot of fun, but you just need to be smart about it. You probably want to avoid costumes with neck straps that could potentially cut off, air supply. And you also, want to make sure that their eyes aren't covered, they can see where they're going. Just kind of be smart about it when you're thinking about what you want to put on your pet for Halloween.
Black cats are an icon of Halloween, and there's an old myth that a black cat crossing your path is bad luck. We at Fairfax County Animal Shelter believe the opposite is true. Cats are to be celebrated, particularly in the fall and at Halloween, and we have a lot of cats that are looking for a good, loving home.